Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well, having a great day. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, I've been to Aldi. I've dropped little Oakley off to nursery. I had a little bit of time on my hands. I thought pop into Aldi, get something for lunch and dinner, and of course I've picked up a little bit of homeware as well. So I want to show you what I picked up. So I'm going to start with the grocery shopping. I had it all lined up on the dining table. I just moved it into the kitchen now to film because the light in there is so bright that I'm going to be just bleached out. So I always tend to do my food hauls in the kitchen. So let's get to it. I've got them in some kind of order. I'm just going to bring you a little bit closer. That's better. I'm first going to show you all the healthy items that I picked up. Actually, it is mainly healthy items that I've picked up. Yet we are changing our lifestyle, you know, trying to be a bit more healthy, putting in all the good nutrients. I mean, I have picked up a few little naughty bits as well, but you know, we are entitled to a little treat every now and again, and it's good to have a balance, isn't it? So picked up some raspberries. Oakley absolutely loves raspberries, so we got those. These are the British raspberries. So I've got some wonky strawberries, some plum tomatoes, some seedless black grapes. Now I didn't actually want to do the haul like this. I really wanted to do it as like a meal planning thing, but I'm just going to go with the flow, you know. I haven't got much time if I have to go and pick Oakley up, so I'm just going to do it like this. And I hope you guys like the way that I'm doing my hauls. Let me know if I can do anything different, you know, to make it more exciting for you guys, or if you like sorry, or if you like how it is already. Yeah, let's just go with it. But yeah, so I've got these seedless black grapes as well. So I've got 12 British free range eggs, some British sweet corn. Sweet corn is on offer at the moment in Aldi. You know, they have their weekly offers. So these came in at 49p for a pack of 2 sweet corns, which is absolutely amazing value. And then I've got some bananas, some seasonal pears, mixed peppers, broccoli, Italian style salad. Well, this is the salad that we always buy from Aldi. This is our go-to. Nice and crunchy, peppery, strong kind of taste. Really, really nice. So got that. Another one of our go-tos is the margherita pizza. Red onions. Now we just tend to buy one style onion, which are the red ones. Just find them a little bit more tasty. Next up is this big bag of sweet potato. Absolutely love sweet potato mash with salmon or with chicken, anything, you know. Sweet potato mash is the one. And when I do my sweet potato mash, I add a little bit of something special. I add a little bit of mixed spice, and I also add some mixed herbs in there as well, to just to give it that little bit of a kick. So I've got those. I also picked up some British green beans. Aldi has these slow cookers. I've been after one of these slow cookers for ages, and I'm thinking, because of the whole lockdown thing, you know, the shops have been closed. I didn't really want to order one on Amazon. I really wanted to see the item in real, you know. So Aldi had them in, so I had to get one, didn't I? Yeah, I got this slow cooker, and it's a 3.5 litre one, and it's 180 watts. What has it got? It's got 3 heat settings on it. It's a chalkboard one, and it's easy to clean as well. So yeah, really excited to use that. Some of this grocery shopping that I've shown you, I'm actually gonna do some meal planning using this slow cooker. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm quite excited to use this actually. So I'll take it out afterwards and show you what it looks like, okay? But I'm just gonna put it over there for now. So back to the grocery shopping. Okay, so next I picked up some cucumber. We have cucumber with nearly every meal. Oakley likes snacking on cucumber. He would have scrambled eggs with cucumber. He would have, you know, whatever we're eating, we'll have cucumber with it, you know. So I've been getting more into like fish meals, and this mackerel is ready to eat. So I would like make a salad with this, a lovely mackerel salad using the mixed peppers and the Italian salad that I've just shown you there, and also the tomatoes. Absolutely amazing. Just with some salad dressing, you're good to go. And this is smoked mackerel fillets with the cracked black pepper on it as well. So really delicious. Love that. I actually opened this one already because I was going to have one before I was doing my filming, but I thought if I sit down and have a cup of tea and have one of these, I'm going to end up not filming and get distracted. So after I'm filming, I'm going to sit down, relax, have my cup of tea, and then have one of these. So these are 4 all butter sultana scones. I always get these ones from Aldi. I actually prefer these ones. These are the specially selected ones, and I just love the taste of them. They're not, even though it says buttery, it doesn't leave that buttery kind of taste in your mouth, if you get what I mean. They're really good quality. I just have those with a little bit of jam, apricot jam. I did actually get some apricot jam as well. And yeah, I don't have the whole cream and the jam, you know. I love to have the cream. I'm cutting down on all the, you know, cream fat kind of stuff. So I'll just have them with the jam, which is more than good enough. Really tasty, lovely. Can't wait to have one of those actually with my tea after this. Okay, so next I picked up some lean beef. This is the 5% fat lean beef. I've got this to put inside the slow cooker. I'm gonna do like a little chili con carne or spaghetti bolognese with this to make a nice sauce. And yeah, so got that. I also picked up some chicken thighs. I'm also going to prepare a meal in the slow cooker with these. 1 kilo of chicken thighs, so I've got that. A twin pack of avocados, some carrots like I mentioned before. This is the Thai green curry kit, and this is absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried this in Aldi, it's absolutely amazing. What it is, you get a sachet curry paste and you get like a sachet of coconut milk. Absolutely delicious as a, you know, Thai green chicken curry dish with some basmati rice. Absolutely delicious. So I got that. I also picked up some noodles. I always get these ready to wok noodles, the medium ones, or sometimes Aldi has the ribbon ones, so I'll get those. So next I picked up some items in this freezer section. So I got this rainbow ice cream. It's vanilla raspberry ripple ice cream with rainbow sprinkles, and it's absolutely delicious. Oakley absolutely loves this. I actually love it. And then what I've done, I picked up some waffle cones as well. And then this rainbow ice cream. Actually, 50p from each tub is donated to the NHS charities and teenage cancer. Absolutely amazing. This is the last of the food items. Did you want to see another homeware item before I go into that? Yeah, let me show you one of the homeware items that I picked up. Okay, so one of the homeware items that I picked up, well, it's more of a cleaning product item, was this microfiber glove. Microfiber glove, guys, for £1.79. There's a few more that I'm going to show you, but let me just finish off with all the food. Okay, so next up I picked up some coconut, chili and lime king prawns. Absolutely delicious with basmati rice. Now this is already been marinated, it's already been seasoned. You can cook it from frozen, so you just throw it all in with some mixed peppers, noodles. You're good to go. You're good to go. I mean, you can even just have that on its own, you know, with some salads. You know, choices are endless. Aldi have really stepped up, and I absolutely love going in there. I always find something exciting. I must say, we have actually had this before, and I think I had this on my last Aldi haul. And they do have other flavours as well, but I tend to just go for this one. I think this is new for Aldi actually. These are hot and spicy chicken chunks. I do like a wrap with these with, you know, like salad, mixed peppers, a little bit of hummus. Really, really nice. Love those. They are hot and spicy. They are quite fiery. So, yeah, you've been warned. Okay, so next up, I picked up this Italian stone-baked Caprini Verde pizza. This looks so delicious. It's got French goat's cheese in there, spinach, red onions, and a thin, crusty base. So, really nice, really tasty. Again, you don't have to put anything with this. It's got spinach in there, the red onions, the goat's cheese. Delicious. So, yeah, can't wait to try this as well actually. This is new. This is new from Aldi. Yeah, that's a new one as well. So, yep, so got that. Okay, so that's all the food items. Such a great variety of food items there. So now I'm going to show you some of the cleaning products that I picked up. Some of this Harpic toilet cleaner. And this is the Pink Blossom Floral Tropical one. And it smells, for a toilet cleaner, it smells absolutely gorgeous. It's got that florally kind of, flowery kind of smell. Really fresh, clean smell. And, you know, I did like a little come shop with me video. I don't know if you guys saw this on there. But I think this was £1 in there. I think all of the all of the cleaning products were either £1 or £1.49. I also picked up some disposable latex-free gloves. These I think were 99p as well. You get a pack of 8. They're different sizes, so I've got these in the medium. I've been looking for this in most of the budget stores, you know, Home Bargains, B&M, Poundland, for the lemon shake and vac. Aldi normally does the Lily of the Valley one, but they have this one in now. So this is the lemon one, and I absolutely love it. Just had it out there in the living room while I came in here to do the grocery shopping haul with you, and the living room just smells. I had it open and the living room just smells like lemon. It smells so fresh. I love this. I absolutely love this. This is quite new for Aldi, and what I've noticed, not just in Aldi but in most of the supermarkets, they're changing over all their wipes to biodegradable. Biodegradable is absolutely fantastic. Of course, everyone's using more wipes, more tissue, because we're in this pandemic and we're constantly cleaning and wiping down. So biodegradable is the way forward, you know. You get 50 wipes in the pack, and these are 75p each. So I actually picked up 4 of these. I'm not gonna lie, I picked up 4 of them. When I saw that was 75p, I thought I'm gonna pick up more. You know, I thought they were gonna be £1, but 75p, wow. You know, and again, lemon. I just love lemon. Lemon is the one for me when it comes to cleaning products. So fresh, such a fresh lemony smell. Love those. Also picked up some baby wipes. These are also biodegradable. You get, how many wipes you get in there? 60 wipes, and I think these were 65p. So next on the cleaning products, I picked up some of these lemon bleach toilet fresheners. Aldi's version of the kind of dupe of the Yankee candles, and I absolutely love these. I've got a few of these dotted around the kitchen. I've already got the coconut one and the lemon, Sicilian lemon one, but this one is Summer Sands, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it just smells so, it smells like candy floss, that kind of candy floss, kind of sweet kind of smell, but it's also got like a kind of perfume, masculine kind of smell behind it as well. So I got this, and I can tell you this was I think £2.99. Okay, so I've just taken the slow cooker out of its box, and this is what it looks like. You know, it's a slow cooker. It's a chalkboard textured one as well. I had the chalk in my hand. I don't know what I've done with it. It's somewhere in the kitchen here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Really nice, you know, nice glass lid. You know, I'm happy with that. Can't wait to use that, really. So that's that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some items that I picked up in Aldi in the homeware section. These came out today. So today is Thursday, the 17th of September. I picked up this Faux Mohair fro. This was £12.99. You can see how gorgeous it is, that grey and white sort of herringbone colour with these lovely dark grey tassels. Absolutely love this. And the size of it is 130 by 150 centimetres. Really like this. It's so cosy, so autumny. Love that. I also picked up this, which is a printed king size duvet cover set. And I don't know if I can bring it up closely, but it's got that kind of knitted effect on it. But it's actually cotton. £11.99 for a king size duvet cover set. It comes in this little bag. It's reversible as well. You can use it on both sides. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that. What a bargain. Okay, so the next item I'm going to show you is this. So I've been after one of these for a little while now as well. I've seen them in various stores. I've seen them in various stores. Primark, B&M had them, and then they went out of stock. Some of them have like a wooden shelf on them. I thought I can do maybe a DIY on this to put the wooden shelf on there, or I might just leave it like this. I'm going to give our downstairs cloakroom a little uplift, a little makeover. So I'm intending to use this in there as well. And this came in at how much was this? This came in at $14.99, and that's really great. That's really good value because it is the larger ones. Now I have seen some, like I said, they're a lot smaller than this one. This one I would say, oh, it says the size on it. It's 53 by 53 by 12 centimeters. So that is quite large. Now, I absolutely love Aldi's homeware. I've got a mirror upstairs on my hallway. I get a lot of comments about my mirror. Where did I get it from? And it's Aldi. I got that mirror from Aldi around 5 years ago. Such a nice mirror. I actually pick up something for little Oakley. You know, he's into his superheroes, his Marvels. He absolutely loves all the characters. So I picked up this for him. I can only find it in a size 5 to 6, but they come up quite small anyway. So it's a pyjama set. So I'm just going to take it off. So I need to put it in the wash anyways. So you've got the pyjama trousers there, the Batman logo on it. And then you've also got this lovely top. This set came in at $3.99. The whole range of characters. They also had Disney ones as well. So I got that, and that's my last item. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and please let me know which of the homeware items was your favourite. Mine, I don't know, I've got, you know, I like all of them, to be fair with you. I love this mohair blanket, and I also love the bed cover and the shelving unit. You know, Aldi and all the shops are really just stepping up now, you know. I think, you know, as we're coming into Christmas, they're getting all different items in. And yeah, I just can't wait to actually display these items and style them all up in my downstairs cloakroom. That's going to be a video coming up quite soon, a revamp of my downstairs cloakroom. And yeah, so see you on the next one, guys. Take care, keep well, bye.